welcome to 60 Seconds with the Allen Firm. We hope these short videos will give you really a good guidance and peace of mind in whatever situation we're in. So today I have Stephen Cheak. Stephen is of counsel with our firm. And Stephen, I think today I want to focus on business owners and speak to them. So give me some advice on, if I'm a business owner about to start a business or in business, how can I protect myself?
Sure. Well, first, I'd like to thank you guys for letting me come on. I think this is a crucial tidbit that you can give the community members, and I think it's neat to kind of give them some of these legal tips. So
Good.
Thank you for that.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
So back to the question. One of the major questions that we get from our business owners is, how can I protect my business and my business assets from any liabilities that we may come across? And our answer is generally, well, first we need to get you in some sort of a business entity, some sort of a structure, either an LLC, a corporation, an LLP, or there are other variations as well. That protection not only protects the assets that you're talking about, but it also protects you on a tax basis. Mm-hmm. And so it protects the capital that the business also has. So first and foremost, we need to get a business entity set up to help basically create a shield to the business owner.
Yeah. So once that's created and once they get their business operated within that entity, like, how does that actually protect them though?
Okay. Well, when we talk about the shield, and I'm going to try to parse this down into a very short segment. You know, generally in law school, this is about a semester or two. So I'm going to try to
thank you. Appreciate it.
I'll try to get it down real short. So generally that protection, and we kind of call it, it's sort of an umbrella of protection where the business owner is kind of up here. You have the level of protection with all of the liabilities down below. So once we get that set up, it allows, again, hypothetically, let's say there's a lawsuit, we'll call it, say, a slip and fall. That person that's injured basically stops at the protection of the company, of the umbrella. They don't reach the personal assets of the business owner. Now, there are some exceptions, and fraud is the major exception. We won't get into that. But mainly it protects that business owner from personal liability. And a lot of our small business owners, you know, are doing everything they can to keep the business going. And some of that includes their personal money. And we have to do what we can to protect them. So that's on the liability part. The second part, the taxation part, allows the business to be taxed, depending on which entity you choose, usually only once. Now, there are certain business entities where taxation is, you get taxed twice, and we want to try to limit that as much as possible, where the business gets taxed and the person gets taxed. So we set that up to where the taxation stops at the business. Okay. Now, again, there are exceptions, but that's just the general overview of why we want to get those put in place.
That makes sense. That's great. Stephen, thank you. I appreciate you making time for this video, and hopefully that'll help guide them. And just maybe if they have any questions, they can give you a call on any kind of business entity and structure, and get some advice on that end. I appreciate it.
Of course. And again, not to make it a big commercial, but if someone is looking for help, we strongly advise that they go to their local attorney and talk to somebody about that, because we don't want to try to get to it after the fact. Once you go after, it's too late.
Yeah, that's great advice. We don't want to play cleanup on that. We'd rather just get it set up right on the front end. So
100%.
That's good. Thanks, Stephen. I appreciate it.
Thank you.